G'day guys, Stan from Eurowas Performance. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be talking about carbon, the effects that it has on the modern direct injection engine, which is most Volkswagens and Audis these days. We're going to be walking you through the process of what the carbon deposits do and how we clean it in our shop as we offer this as a service to our customers. Here we have a little Audi 1.8 TSFI motor. She's just over 60,000 kilometers, which is when we recommend doing this to vehicles. We've already started stripping it down, getting the manifold off so that I can show you guys the inside of the ports. You can see inside the actual port itself how it's building up, a whole lot of gunk and gum in there. That's the carbon that we're referring to. You can also see that in the actual valve area where the carbon is starting to build up. This one isn't too bad. I have seen a lot worse where it's completely caked up. So the device that we'll be using today to clean off all that carbon on around the valves and in the actual port is a walnut blasting machine. We specifically use walnut shells, which is crushed down, as you can see, because it's not going to damage the actual alloy or the valves. If some of it does go into the actual combustion chamber, when it ignites, it's just going to turn into ash. Okay guys, so now we're ready to start cleaning the port and the valve train. Part of the carbon cleaning process is we always inspect the actual injector itself, because the injector sits in the combustion chamber, so the carbon buildup will be forming on the tip itself. You can ever see the one on my right hand side has already been cleaned, and the one on the left full of carbon. Okay, so yeah, she should breathe a heck of a lot better now. Removed quite a fair bit of carbon off the valves, off the ports, and off the injector tips themselves. So now we'll start assembling everything again with new seals, manifold seals and all the rest, and then we'll run a test afterwards to see the improvements. So there you have it guys, today's episode was carbon cleaning. We can already tell the idle's a lot smoother. I can feel the acceleration or the throttle response is a little bit better. If any of you guys have these symptoms where it's rough idle on cold start, your economy has suddenly just dropped, you're using a lot more fuel, it could be that you're carboned up. Feel free to give us a call at Eurowas Performance and we can take a look and go from there. Thank you.